So guys, Hardware Busters International and Cybernetics. We have here a new Powenetics system. Delta, Cybernetics, Powenetics and Eddie. Here. Project Zeus. One power supply, Fusion, XPG 1600 watt, 4 RTX4090 from NVIDIA, and the Powenetics board here handling everything and providing all data, as you can see. We run 2 benchmarks at the same time and a Fairmark, because Fairmark can only be executed into a single GPU. You cannot have 4 instances of Fairmark running on all 4 GPUs. So these guys run Octane bench, as you can see here, to fully load all GPUs. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. So I started again. From here you can see over GPU power readings. Minimum, maximum, average. You see on average 4 GPUs are at 780 watt. No, they're not there.
Wow.
Well,
That's almost double.
yeah, it changes. All readings change very fast. We have the readings per second are here. On average 1000 readings per second. You can select if you want to go full speed, if you want to go 500, 250, 125, 60. And let's do the NVIDIA Picat. Only 10 readings per second. Look how slow it is. Slow.
Oh, they have inserted the pickup as well?
Let's go full speed. Again. It is way too much data to process. I will give you an idea. So, Eddie, let's reset the timer and keep a log, a short log, 5 seconds log, okay? Let's open the log to see what's going on there. Okay, already 2 megabytes the log with 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Oh wow.
Here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Look the time. Look the time. Every 1 millisecond you have a new reading. Look the time. It's the same because the resolution is not enough. But the readings are different. That's crazy, right?
That's only in 5 seconds?
Yeah, that is.
This is in 5 seconds.
Look. This is in 5 seconds. Look.
Yeah, this is what we're showcasing at confidence.
Yeah. This is 5 seconds time. Okay, let's clear this. You will see more. You will see more stuff. And have any questions, sir?
Now we are doing and
See you next video.